we are going to learn something very cool. We are going to control a small light called an LED using an microcontroller called the Arduino Uno. You'll write a program, connect wires and watch the LED blink, like magic controlled by you. Materials you need: Arduino Uno board, LED module, jumper wires male to male, and USB dumb cable to connect Arduino to computer. So first let's understand the LED module. The LED module has two terminals. Positive, usually marked plus, and negative, usually marked minus. Now take two male jumper wires. Connect one jumper wire to the positive terminal of the LED and the jumper wire to the negative terminal of the LED. Make sure the wires are tightly connected to avoid loose connections. Now let's connect the LED to the Arduino Uno. Connect the positive wire of the LED, the one connected to the positive terminal, to the digital pin 5 on the Arduino. Connect the negative wire of the LED, the one connected to the negative terminal, to the ground on the Arduino. The positive wire should go to pin 5. The negative wire should go to ground pin. Let's understand what's really happening. The Arduino Uno is like a mini computer. We are going to tell it through code to send power to the LED, which turns it on. Then we will tell it to stop the power, which turns it off. So we are not just connecting wires, we are actually teaching the Arduino to control the LED. Connecting your Arduino to the computer. Take the USB dumb cable and connect one end to the Arduino Uno board. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer's USB port. This connection powers your Arduino and allows your computer to communicate with it. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer. Now let's write a short and powerful program to blink the LED. It's time to understand what our code is actually doing. Even though the code looks like just a few lines, each line is an instruction to the Arduino, like how we give steps in a recipe. Let's go through it step by step so you understand what every part means. Don't worry, I'll explain it in a very simple way. Let's begin with the first line. LED blink program using pin 5. This is a comment. Comment are notes for humans. They don't affect the program. It just says what the program does. Void setup. This is the setup function. It runs only once when the Arduino is turned on or reset. We use it to prepare the pins. Pin mode 5 output. This line tells the Arduino that pin 5 is being used to send out signals, not receive. We are using it to turn the LED on and off, so we need it as an output. Void loop. This is the main loop of the program. It keeps running over and over, forever looping. That's why the LED keeps blinking again and again. Digital write 5, high. This tells pin 5 to go high, which means it sends power to 5 volts, so the LED turns on. Delay 1000. This tells the Arduino to wait for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So LED stays on for 1 second. Digital write 5 low. This tells pin 5 to go low, which means it stops the power given. So the LED turns off. Delay 1000. Again wait for 1 second before doing anything else. This keeps the LED off for 1 second. What happens overall? LED turns on. Wait 1 second. LED turns off. Wait 1 second. Repeats again and again forever. Summary for students. You're telling the Arduino to send power to the LED for 1 second, then turn it off for 1 second and repeat. This is called blinking and the Arduino follows your instructions like a robot. Now it's time to verify the upload code. Click the tick button on the top left corner of the screen to verify the code. This checks for any typing or syntax errors. If there is no error, you'll see Done Compiling at the bottom. Click the Upload button, the arrow next to the tick, to send the program in the Arduino. The LED should now start blinking every second. Amazing, right? Wrap up. Awesome work, everyone. You just built your first working Arduino project using a real circuit, LED module, real code, and real programming skills. Next time, we can make a traffic light show, or even add a button to control it. Keep exploring. Thank you.